Perfect tense. What is the future perfect tense? A tense which modifies completion of an action in future time is called future perfect tense. Other definition of the future perfect tense is a tense which shows the completion of an action in future time is called future perfect tense. A tense which shows the completion of an action in future is called future perfect tense. Helping verbs of the future perfect tense is shall have, only use with I and we. Shall have, only use with I and we. And other helping verb is will have. Will have. Use other pronouns, nouns plus nouns, two helping verbs of the future perfect tense, shall have and will have. Now we will discuss how to make sentence future perfect tense. First of all, subject plus auxiliary verb or helping verb, plus verb third form, last object. Example, I shall have, third form, eaten meal. Work completion in the future time. Start in future and complete also in future is called future perfect tense. Other example, we will have won the match. We will have won the match. Now how to make interrogative sentence of the future perfect tense. Interrogative like I shall have eaten meal. How to make interrogative? Only shall before the subject. Shall I have eaten meal. This is the all example of the future perfect tense. Some example of the future perfect tense. 5 examples of the future perfect tense. First, Govinda will have learned third form dance. Learn dance. Shafi Muhammad will have paid third form fine. Third number, Abdul Salam will have traveled soccer. These are the examples of the future perfect tense. So please kindly subscribe, share, like. Thanks for watching.